Hi friends, welcome to Deliciously Jebas. It's hard to find anyone who doesn't enjoy chaat, and Dahi Puri is such a fan favorite in this country. Let's quickly get into its video. In a small mixing bowl, take 2 boiled and mashed potatoes, add 2 tablespoons of chopped onion, half a teaspoon of chaat masala, half a teaspoon of salt, some chopped coriander leaves, and a teaspoon of chili powder. Give them a good mix. For the written recipe, please visit my blog at www.deliciouslyjebas.com. You know, it's a very healthy Indian snack as boiled and raw vegetables are added. Keep the potato filling aside. Next, take a cup of chilled curd or yogurt in a small bowl. Add half a teaspoon of salt and a teaspoon of powdered sugar. Whisk until there are no lumps in it. You can prepare this ahead of time and refrigerate it. Right before having it, assemble them in the puris and serve it right away. Otherwise, the puris will turn soggy. You can follow me on Facebook and Insta, and I'll leave the link below in the description box for you. Keep this whisked curd aside. Take a golgappa or a mini puri in your hand and break its top like this and arrange it on a serving plate. Watch my pani puri recipe video to make these puris at home. Fill the puri with a teaspoon of potato filling. You can also use store-bought ready-made mini puris. You know, it's such a simple and easy dish, yet it oozes with deliciousness. To make a healthier version of this, add a couple of boiled chickpeas into the puris. Also add some steamed sprouted green gram. You can either use chickpea and green gram sprouts or even any one of them as per your preference. Sprinkle some chopped coriander leaves. Click on the iCard above for the chaat chutneys. Use half a teaspoon of meaty or imli chutney, which is also called as sweet chutney. You can also find the link of this chutney recipe in the description box below. Then add half a teaspoon of hari chutney or green chutney into the puris. Please hit the thumbs up button if you like this video. Now add a tablespoon of our chilled beaten curd into the puris. Sprinkle some save on top. You know, these chutneys and the palate cleansing curd together will give a perfect tongue-tingling taste that cannot be replicated with any other dish. Sprinkle some chaat masala and some chili powder on top for a little kick and serve it immediately. If you're new to my channel, do subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. Hope you like this video. I'll meet you with another delicious recipe next week. Until then, it's Jeba signing off. Bye-bye.